Good morning, you guys. I'm exhausted. It is your girl Candy Monet, and welcome back. Wait, am I saying that wrong? It's your girl Candy Monet. If you don't know, now you know. Welcome back to another video. It is another Vlogtober video. Why am my thing looking like that? So, last night we parked at the shipper. My load picked up at 2 in the morning last night. But when I tell you they had me doing Monopoly docks. So last night they told me to go to a dock, drop my trailer off, and then pick up a different trailer, which was in a different dock, because it was supposed to be a spot thing. Like, that means pick up. Like, I just pick it up and go. Well, that was not the case. The notes say there's no overnight parking, but baby, there's overnight parking here. If you come in the middle of the night, they let you stay, which is chef's kiss, because I didn't have no time on my clock. I think I had 2 hours on my clock. I had like an hour and 57 minutes to go on my clock before I could move my truck. Hold on. There we go. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. When he's gone, but he goes away anytime. I know.
Been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain.
But like I was saying, so yeah, they had me playing Monopoly docks last night. So they gave me a dock to drop my trailer. That dock had a trailer in it. Then she called me to let me know, like, hey, don't go to that dock, switch docks. I said, ma'am, I never even went to the dock, because the dock you told me to go to had a trailer in it, and you didn't give me a location to drop my trailer. I was just gonna wait until you call me to tell you so that I can know where to drop my trailer. So I sat with my trailer. 2 hours into last night, about 4:47 in the morning, she called me, wake me up, and was like, okay. That's when she told me that information. Went back to sleep. She called me 4 times again. But when I tell you I was knocked the fuck out. Because she called me 4 times and then ended up coming and knocking on my truck door. Like I was at a truck stop and she was security or something. She was like, hey, yeah, so this door doesn't open. I'm gonna need you to go to this door, but this door, but this door, but this door. She was like, you know what? Just dock at 28. The first door was supposed to be 30. She was like, just dock at 28, drop your trailer, and go pick up this trailer. Baby, we did not do that. That was not the plan. She was like, you know what? We're gonna use the trailer that you already have and live load you. Okay, you guys, so we are finally out of the dock. We were sitting in the dock for an extra like 2-3 hours because the dock red light, green light is broken, so it's been blinking red. And I'm like, okay, I'm waiting for them to unlock me. Hello. The man came up to the door and was like, hey, I need this door. I said, sir, I've been waiting for y'all to give me a green light. He said, I think this one is broken. Let me check. He go check. He's like, you're good. I'm like, bro, I don't know what I'm looking for. If I look back there, it all looked the same. So if I would have went back there, I'd have been like, oh, I'm unlocked, and drove away, and then my whole back would have came off. That's this type of thing. I'm God's example. I'm God example. But we are just now waiting 1 more hour for my clock to set 10 hours for sleeper berth, so that it's not in split shift anymore. And then we're gonna head down to Orlando. let me let y'all know, I did receive a text message warning saying, hey, once you drop your load, run your ass up out of there because there is a storm warning and we're trying to get all the truckers out of Orlando or out of Florida before it hit. Baby, I gotta wait for my time. And on top of that, I don't mind sitting because we get paid for weather conditions. Not saying that I'm doing it on purpose, because I'm not. So don't go running telling Martin, oh, she sat on purpose, and even though y'all gave her a warning. No, I'm not doing it on purpose. I still have to wait for my clock, and then the place is 3 hours away in Orlando. I'm up by Jacksonville. Like, hello. So yeah, I got 45 minutes left on my clock, and then I can go. But I just had to update you guys on what's going on. And I actually also need to stop and get fuel, because I got a half a tank. I made it from Georgia all the way to Jacksonville, Florida on a quarter of a tank. I'm a driver. I'm a professional.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Nah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a ghost. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. Man, no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, nah, coach, yeah, get me back to you. Oh, nah, coach, yeah, to get me back to you.
No.
Alright, so you're gonna drop your trailer off over there where the other Martin trailers are, and there's empties over here, okay?
Oh, there's only one, but okay. You gotta let me do my job also.
No, I would never interrupt. Oh, okay, excuse me.
What?
Press play yet?
It's been recording. It was recording the minute I got on property.
I don't authorize you to have mine unless you got an Instagram.
I can
look at it as well.
I can just edit you out. Oh, you want? Oh, but I could also just edit. Yeah, get your phone. Don't worry about it. I-A-M. A-M. Oh, no.
Oh, I am? Oh, gosh, I already know. I'm beautiful, 23, sexy, beast. I am what? Let me see.
C-A-N-D-Y. M-O-N-I-A. M-O-N-I-A.
That's your middle name?
No, but you over here assuming you pretty short.
So pretty.
You are pretty short. You like 5'10". You said 6'2", you 5'10".
5'9", I'm 6'2".
Yeah, you're like 5'10". I can see you eye to eye. We're eye to eye.
I'm 6'2".
We're eye to eye. Go out, son. Stop the
Where you at?
M-O-N-I-A. I'm distracting you?
No, not even. That's who?
Yep.
I'm gonna tell you, all right. Yeah, you did. I'm gonna tell you what distracted you specifically.
What is it? Hey, that's a lie. They shorted you. No, I'm 5'9". I'm 5'9". I'm 5'9". My driver. Oh my God. I'm telling you, I'm 5'9".
So I'm not 6'2".
No, you 5'11". 5'10", no, that's too short. You like 5'11". No, you like 6'1.2". You said what? No, you 6. I can give you 6'1". Look, okay, let's look. Yeah, you short. That you short. You didn't tell me what distracted you.
What your height is, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll toss you. This is Candy, by the way.
Hey.
I'll toss
You have pretty teeth.
Thank you. Yes. All right. How tall I am, man? No, you are 6'1".
Thank you. I'm 5'9".
Oh, you 5'9".
Yeah.
Okay.
And he's 6 feet.
6'2".
He's 6 feet. He's actually 5'11", but
Are you
they,
I gave you 6'1", and I said 5'7". She say 5'9".
I'm 5'9".
She got the lie on her license. She got the lie coming out of her mind. You know, God wants.
And you got the lie on your driver's license and coming out your mouth too. Poor baby. Poor baby. Hey you guys, welcome back. So we just finished dropping the trailer off, and I'm connected to an empty right now, and my fleet manager said to make my way towards somebody, Georgia, so we could get out the storm. So that's what we're about to do. About to make our way up out of here. I gotta pee first. So what time did I get here? Ooh. So we're just gonna make our way out, but that's gonna be it for. Oh, I gotta pee, y'all. That's gonna be it for this video. Unless something else happens, then I'll pick you guys back up. But for right now, I'ma just end it here. I'm doing a pee-pee dance because I gotta pee. I gotta pee. Gotta pee. Gotta pee. Okay, you guys, welcome back. So it is now, oh shit, it is now 10 o'clock at night, and I stopped. I had to pull over. I pulled over at like 9:45 because, baby, the rain was trying to take me out. I'm light, I'm empty, and it's a thunderstorm. I'm in thunderstorm, the path of the thunderstorm, and no. My mama need me. I tell y'all this all the time. My mama need me. Okay, so I'm not finna risk my life to get out of the way of the storm. Like, of the storm. How the fuck I'm supposed to get out of the way of the storm? You don't know which way the storm is gonna go. Because tornadoes and shit like that be going whichever way they fucking want. But, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm listening to something. But, yeah, so I texted them and was like, hey, is it safe to pull over now? Because visibility is getting real bad. Baby, I can't see. But y'all know I love the rain anyways. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. It's looking like this. It's looking like this. Like, I wish y'all could see my shirt because it is completely wet. I just walked to the bathroom. My shirt is completely wet. Like, I'm drenched in the rain. I'm drenched in water. But I just wanted to come on and let y'all know that I'm safe. I made it to a safe haven. I ain't let these other truckers take me out. I've been riding through the rain for the past hour, and then it started getting real bad, and I was just like, oh no. I made it out of Florida at least. I'm in Georgia, so I'm surprised I found a spot at 9:45 at night. I'm at a rest area, so no showers yet again. But tomorrow, best believe, whatever load I get tomorrow, I'm going to get me a shower. I guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow and let y'all know what's going on. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I don't know if y'all can hear the rain. But if you guys know me, then y'all know I'll probably sit and watch the rain fall for maybe like an hour or two. Because I just love rain. Rain is my favorite. Can y'all hear me?